How to add a message button to an Instagram post. I am going to show you how you can easily add a message button to an Instagram post. Some people might not have this feature yet because it is still being introduced slowly. Let me show you where to find it if you do have access. First, tap on the plus icon. Select any video or picture from here. After selecting, click on Next. You can edit the video here as well. You will find different options to use, including the Add Message Button option. However, at the moment, it seems I don't have access to this option. Now go to your profile. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines, scroll down and tap on Business Tools and Controls. Tap on Switch Account Type. Choose Switch to Creator Account. Tap on Switch. Now go back to the plus icon and create a post. If you still don't see the option, you need to go to the settings again. Scroll down and tap on Help. Tap on Report a Problem. Shake your phone to report a problem. Tap on Include and Continue. Here you need to write a report to Instagram requesting the addition of the message button to Instagram posts. Instagram will hopefully fix this problem soon, and you will be able to add the message button to your Instagram posts. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.